Good morning, folks. Today we're gonna do a little catfishing. Today's January the 27th, 2022. We just pulled the boat out and got hooked up, so ride along with me and we're gonna go have some fun. All right, we got the boat in the water. Now we're gonna go find some fish. I'm gonna start by looking at some deep water and some channel edges right there. There's a where I caught that cat the other day is really deep water, and there's a real sharp channel edge there, and I'm thinking they're going to be laying up along that channel edge. So we're going to go take a look at that. Just bear with me. We'll be right back. All right, we're parked. Get down there where the fish are. Okay, go back in here where it's warm. Bald eagle follow me around, hoping I'll throw him a piece of bait, looking for something to eat. Well, this is my 5th set of the day, and I have not put a fish in the boat. And sometimes that's how it goes. But I've come back in here, way back in the shallow, well, I call it shallow. It's a lot shallower than what I've been fishing all day. Been 26 foot of water. I lost about 2 degrees on the water temperature. It's only 42.5 back here. But I've seen a lot of shad back here in mid-water, so I'm gonna try it back in here. I'm gonna do a drag. I'm gonna drag some baits out of here. Now, the other day I was in here, I caught fish right up on the other side of that last dock. So we're gonna see what happens. Hang in there. Fish on, fish on. What we got? Feels like a blue. Awful lot of head shake. I can tell he probably don't have much size to him. Oh yeah, they're down in the mud. Look at that fish. Look at that mud on him. He come out of the mud to eat though. I'm gonna put him in the live well. I'm gonna turn him loose in a little bit, but his belly's tight and I don't want to stuff a straw down his throat, so we're gonna let him. Yeah, I'm gonna let him in here for a little while. He only come out of 30 foot of water, so he shouldn't be too bad. Get in there. We'll let him swim around the live well for a little bit, and then I'll turn him loose. I don't think I'm going to keep any fish today. That'd be a good keeper, though. Well, I'm seeing fish down there now. Maybe we'll catch another. Turn that one loose and send him back to go tell Granny and Pappy to come have a talk with me. I want to see his grandpappy. Oh, fish on! Alright, we reeled up. We're headed to the house, but we got to turn this guy here loose. He looks like he's good and healthy. He's calm. Let's see here. Oh yeah, got rid of all of his air. See you later, big guy. Thanks for the bite. Drain the live well. Ooh, that water cold. Ooh, that water cold. All right, buttoned up. We're out of here. Let's see. Oh. We're going to take this mamma jamma to the house.